Hello you guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. Today we are going to be doing some root touch-up. I have a good 2 to 3 inches of new growth coming out, and my hair recently had been growing out from a pixie, so that's why the back looks like that. So I'm going to be starting off by mixing the decolorizer and the 40 volume developer together. I basically just eyeball it. I don't really do the measurements. You guys are probably like, oh my gosh, she's gonna fry her hair. But no, I'll explain more later on in the video. I'm focusing on the back section of my head because I won't have to worry about it touching any of the blonde spots, then having to break off in the process. So as you can see, the blonde tips on the sides, I'm just going to be clipping that away from my face. My hair is pretty thick on the back, so I'm carefully getting in between each section so it's evenly saturated. Now that I'm officially done, I'm going to cap it with a bag so the heat from my scalp helps process my hair faster. Beginning on the top section, I'm making sure that I'm only applying decolorizer on my new growth while leaving the rest of my blonde tips alone. Okay, so key to healthy hair is using great shampoo and conditioners. Pantene, VO5, those products do not count. The reason why I say that is because those products are actually watered down, so you're not actually getting the real nutrients and protein that your hair is actually desiring. Also, you should be masking your hair at least once a week. Your hair requires protein, so deep conditioning, hair treatments, make sure you're moisturizing your hair with some type of coconut oil or oil sheen, anything like that. If you maintain a good hair routine, you will start to see a difference with your hair. Basically, your hair will start loving you back. Now I'm going to allow this to process on my hair for the next 45 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off with some shampoo and conditioner, and then we'll be back to do some exciting toning. After washing out my hair, I noticed multiple different shades of blonde, so this is where the toner comes in. I'm using Ugly Duckling Intense Pearl Blonde Toner with the 20 volume developer. This will help cancel out all of that yellow. Once you have saturated your entire head, you're going to allow this to process for the next 15 minutes. As I'm rinsing my hair, I will be applying this purple shampoo to cancel out any yellow that was left out. Then I'll apply this hair treatment after I've shampooed and conditioned my hair. So this is the way my hair looks coming out of the shower. I do have a couple yellow spots, but just wait until the reveal. And here's the final look. Complete difference. I love how good it came out. The back section has a couple yellow spots, but I can easily touch that up within a month. But let me know what you guys think. Feel free to leave a comment below. And thanks for watching.